1st, 2021. So there I got a call from a lady.
Turn right on Highway 140.
That she's got a backed up bathroom sink drain and wants me to go by there. I think she called me on the weekend. I told her I'd go by there Monday morning.
4 3/4 miles. Take exit on the right to Phillips Road.
So we're on our way over there to see what's going on, and we're on our way over there now to see if we can fix this lady's sink drain. Not an emergency. I mean, I'll go out on the weekends and nights if it's a mad emergency and they want to pay the extra money, but most of the time they don't. Most of the time they can wait until the morning or something, you know. It's just like 5 degrees out and they got no heat and it's freezing in the house, and then you gotta go. But a lot of times if they got a backed up sink drain or something like that, they can wait until the next day. It's usually their call. I make them make the decision. They're gonna pay me extra if I go out on the weekend, obviously. But I think my rates are pretty reasonable. I don't really bend anybody over the table and give them the "oh, how you doing," you know. I don't overcharge people. Put it that way. I'm not gonna screw somebody. Sell them something they don't need, or overcharge them, or something like that. I wouldn't do that. That's not my style. I rather be honest and treat people fairly, and then they call you back. You start trying to screw somebody, and they'll never call you back and they'll badmouth you. So you don't want to do that. In the long run, you're better off to be a good businessman and treat everybody good, do a good job for a reasonable amount, and then you'll get a good name and people will call you back. That's the best way to build a business. That's the best way to run a business, and it's like that in every area. Everybody's always saying, more shots of Miss Molly. Give more shots of Miss Molly. Everybody loves Molly. Everybody loves Miss Molly. Yeah, everybody loves you, Molly. You're a big hit. You're a superstar. You are one superstar, Molly. Anyway, so we're gonna go over there and see him. We'll take one step at a time here, see if we can fix it for her. Another damsel in distress, Mama. So you're saying it goes down, but it backs up?
Yes.
Alright. We'll figure it out. Let me get my tools.
Yeah.
Anybody got long hair in the house?
I do. But I never wash my hair over the sink.
Yeah, let's see what that's the issue. Well, that seems to be clear. We'll try a plunger first, and if that don't work, we'll have to snake it. So the heating system's working good, no problems?
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Looking really nice.
Good, I'm glad it's working out for you.
A lot quieter too.
Yeah, she's definitely backing up, you can see it.
Yeah.
What kind of soap are you using? This stuff here?
Yeah.
That could be what it is.
What?
Is it like thick?
I don't know.
Let me get my plunger. Let me try it. Let's get my plunger and we'll try it. Okay?
Alright.
First.
Ja, die staat dus aan iets precies. En de QV. En nu QV.
Gonna block the overflow hole. Gonna block this hole with a rag. Going down. There it goes. Simple as that. We gotta block the hole. Hello?
Yes.
So what I did was I blocked this overflow hole with a rag,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And I put some water in it and I hit it with a plunger and it loosened right up. So it's probably this stuff you're using for your hand soap.
You're kidding me.
No, because it gets thick. It's thick.
Man,
Right? So
yeah.
you wash it, it gets in there. That's probably what it is.
Oh, Jesus.
But, I mean, it could have been worse. I could have had to cut the pipe apart and all that, right? I mean,
that's true.
easy's good.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Yes, I do.
Let's put this back together for you. It'll be good. What's that? It works. I don't even have to hook it back up this way so you can get it out. So, I'm gonna leave it just like that, okay? So if you have to get it out and snake it, you know, it works the way it is. So you don't have to put it all in there. Sometimes it gets hair on that shaft.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Look at that, huh?
Very good.
Now we would go.
I don't know. I didn't take it apart. I didn't snake it or nothing. I just I tried it with a plunger. I took the stopper out and I just hit it with a plunger, and it went right down. Most likely, I think it's this stuff here.
Maybe
Yeah. Oh, it's an easy one. It's a quickie. Kinda like a quickie. Everybody likes a quickie.
Yeah.
Right?
Everybody does.
My golly, it's Miss Molly. My golly, it's Miss Molly. Oh, hang on, let me put the tools away. Hang on. You missed me. Oh, I think you missed me. I think you missed me. Oh, yeah, I know you did. You love Daddy. You love your daddy. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. Oh, yeah, I know you're a leaker. My golly, it's Miss Molly. Yeah, I'll pet you. Come on, I'll pet you. You having withdrawals? You're having withdrawals. I know you are. You miss me. I know you missed me. All right, push over. Come on, push over. Come on.